What backup equipment should pop up? Coffee stands carry. Pop-up coffee stands should carry backup power, water, refrigeration, brewing, payment, and safety equipment so they can keep serving when something fails. A strong backup kit starts with a quiet, properly sized power station or generator, plus approved extension cords and a surge protector. Keep a second brewing method, such as an airpot brewer or manual pour-over setup, in case the main espresso machine stops working. Carry spare grinders, burrs, group gaskets, portafilter baskets, steam wand tips, hoses, and food-safe cleaning brushes, because small parts can stop service even when the machine looks fine. Bring extra drinking water, a food-safe container for wastewater, and a hand-washing station with soap and paper towels. A reliable cooler with ice packs can protect milk and other perishable ingredients if the refrigerator or power fails. Keep backup cups, lids, sleeves, stirrers, napkins, coffee beans, milk, syrups, and ice, since running out of a small supply can end sales early. A mobile card reader, charging cables, a charged phone, and a cash box help when the internet or payment system goes down. One detail many operators miss is carrying a thermometer, because cold milk must stay at a safe temperature and hot water must be hot enough for good extraction. Check temperatures before opening and during service. A common mistake is relying on one generator without testing its total wattage, so add the power needs of every device and test the setup before the event. Another mistake is storing backup milk or ice without checking temperatures, so use a thermometer and replace anything that becomes unsafe. Some stands carry spare ingredients but forget repair supplies, so pack food-safe tape, hose clamps, fuses, batteries, zip ties, and basic tools. Do not store fuel beside flames or customer areas, and always follow local safety rules for generators and food handling. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.